Hello and welcome to another knife review. I'm Arthur, I'm from Germany and I am a gearhead. So let's go tabletop and check out this little beauty. So here we go. As I said, I'm from Germany, so my measurements are in German or not imperial, so my measurements are in grams and centimeters. So all over the knife has a 70.2 centimeters length. The handle length is about 10 centimeters and the blade length 16.8. Knife weighs 97 grams, and why I always say the knife, not the name of the knife. It's just because, as you see, it's used since years. It's the ENLAN M024a. So that's this is a criteria of a knife I really don't like, just because I think a knife needs a name. Yeah, and but if they would call it the Stingray or something like that, that would be better for the knife. It's a all-purpose, no-nonsense knife, just like a very small, elegant gentleman's pocket knife. Look at the beautiful handle. Yeah, low budget. I think it's around about 10 bucks. I have it for years now. If I have to guess, 5 years, maybe less, maybe more, but it got a lot of pocket time. You see the pocket dirt underneath the ambidextrous thumb studs. 8cr14mov is a low budget steel, but yeah, I don't care about low budget steel. You really don't get it too fast over sharpened and losing all the blade, just because 8cr14mov is an adequate steel for everyday tasks, food prep when you are out and about, and small cutting tasks. So this is not a survival knife. It's just a truly gentleman's pocket EDC knife. We have two standoffs, sorry, and there's the blade stop. We have jimping, which is not very aggressive, and see, fits very good in my hand. It's a, as I said, low profile knife, and easily opened. You cannot switch the pocket clip. Yeah, so that's what you have to deal with. And let's check out how thick the blade is. It's I measure where the thumb studs are. It's 2.2 millimeters. You should check out in inch. 0.09 inch. Yeah, and check out the liner lock, how thick it is. 1.1 millimeters, which is an inch. 0.04 inch, and yeah, that's okay for me. It's an elegant knife not threatening for anyone, I say so. And yeah, for 10 bucks you get a very good knife. 8cr14mov, you get it scarily sharp. I use the sharp maker. Have a good 4-finger grip, and I really don't have small hands. This is 9.5 or 10 in glove size. And by the way, sharpening tip: if you have like this scale window on your car and you have a dull knife, just a few strokes and you get it sharp again. Okay. So I have to say, love the end lines, love the shape of the knife, which I said, it's like a gentleman's pocket knife. Not very expensive, or I should say, it's not cheap, it's affordable. I put a link in the description box if you like the knife. And yeah, so that's it. For me, it's an 8 out of 10. Okay. Hope you have a great day. Take care.